What's up, guys? And we're back. We're back with another Crown Zenith box. And this time it is the Regieleki V collection. You get the Regieleki oversized holographic cards, and then you get a Regieleki and a Regidragon promos. Let's open this up. As you can see, I'm very excited. Leave the promos in there. Take care of those later, guys. Oh, always like a good promo. Little promo. And then the Regieleki, bring out our big dog binder. Got the big dog binder. Switching bolts. Ooh, here we go. Regieleki. 4 packs. Whew. Let's go, guys. Let's see if we can get some good stuff out of here. Crown Zenith, it's been up and down with this collection. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got. First pack magic. Larion, Rescue Carrier, Carvine, Emolga, Love Disc, Chatot, Janma, Pond Ward. Let's go! A Gallery Paras. Look at that. Full art Paras. And a Leafeon V. Double hit. Let's go. That's a nice pack right there, guys. First pack magic. Let's get into the second pack. Let's go. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Friends in Shannon, Larion, Lost Vacuum, Mr. Mime, Sunkrin, Bidoof, Coffin, Saladit, Croak Roke, Croak Reverse Hollow, and then a Drag Gaggle, non-hollow rare. Got that Drag Gaggle. I don't know about that. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Crushing Hammer. Gloom. Friends in Shannon. Meowth. Energy Retrieval. Shinx. Larvesta. Panward. Let's go. That Ditto Reverse Hollow. And Helloisk. Last pack magic, guys. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. 1, 2, 3. Last pack magic. Let's see what we got. Trekking Shoes. Energy Switch. Metang. Panward. Snowrunt. Tangela. Baltoy. Meowth. Let's go! Entei V. Let's go. That's a fire hit. GG36 out of GG70. Entei V. Nice hit. And a Glaceon V. Let's go. Double hit. Nice. Last pack magic, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. What was your favorite hit out of this box? Got a couple right there. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. It's the real deals.